Skin Deep by the Stranglers, the weekly Groan. I'm in the process, a relatively long process, of updating several computers and laptops from Windows 10 to 11. Some of these machines are mine and some belong to other family members. A number of workstations are being replaced as they're years old. They still work, but many of these computers can't run the new operating system because apparently the processor isn't compatible, or they don't have TPM 2.0, which is an additional bit of security, or they can't do this, that and t'other. There's going to be a lot of e-waste. Now, I know there can be ways around upgrading older systems that don't meet newer requirements, but it's not recommended at all. A few of the old systems are slow as well, so it's time to upgrade, but it would have been nice to get a few more years out of them. And also it's the fact that I know the OS won't suddenly stop working, but it will come to a point where you won't get security updates. So I've begun, but after the upgrade, Microsoft dictates certain things like putting the start menu in the centre by default, and everyone knows it goes on the left, so I had to change that back. Various apps were automatically added, and in some cases shortcuts to them, like on the taskbar, for example Teams. I don't want them, and had to go through and remove them every single time on each different computer. There's also the privacy settings. This always gets worse. No, I don't want my usage data sent off, anonymously or otherwise. I don't want apps to show me personalised ads. Who wants that? And I don't want suggested content in the settings app. It's all this stuff you've got to go through and switch off. It happens every major upgrade, or even on some minor ones. Location tracking. I don't want them to know where I am. Disable activity history. God, the list goes on. It's only going to be a matter of time until I go back to my electronic typewriter.